So Meta just released their latest open-source AI model Llama 3.1, and Mark has been pushing it hard, claiming open-sourcing Llama is good for Meta, good for the world, and therefore a platform that will be around for the long term. The Llama 3.1 family has 3 variants, 8B, 70B, and groundbreaking 405B parameters. Llama 3.1 405B is the first open-source model that rivals the top AI models like GPT-4, GPT-4o, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet, matching them in general knowledge, controllability, mathematical ability, and tool use. They also made big changes for both 8B and 70B models, where they have a significantly longer context length of 128K, 16 times more than what it was. This means the model can process and understand significantly more information at once compared to previous models, allowing it to handle much longer documents or conversations without losing track of earlier detail. Now let's talk benchmark. In benchmark tests, Llama 3.1 405B shows impressive performance across various categories. In tests of general knowledge and reasoning, known as MMLU and MMLU Pro, Llama 3.1 405B scores 88.6 and 73.3 respectively, outperforming GPT-4 and matching or exceeding other top models. In mathematical problem solving, Llama 3.1 405B shines. It scores 73.8 on the math benchmark and an impressive 96.8 on the GSM-8K test, surpassing GPT-4 and other competitors. But how does it fare in human evaluations? When compared directly with GPT-4 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Llama 3.1 405B holds its own. Against GPT-4, Llama 3.1 405B wins 23.3% of the time, ties 52.2%, and loses 24.5%. This means it's considered equal or better in over 75% of comparison. The story is similar when pitted against Claude 3.5 Sonnet, with Llama winning 24.9%, tying 50.8%, and losing 24.2% of the time. Even the smaller Llama 3.1 models impress. The 70B version often outperforms models like Mistral and GPT 3.5 Turbo across various benchmarks. So where can you run Llama 3.1? Here are your options. Meta AI. Access the 405B model via Meta's website or WhatsApp if you're in the US. Rogue Playground. Try out the 70B and 8B models on their web-based playground. Poe. Use the 70B model on Poe's platform. Together.ai. For the 405B model, use their web and API access. Llama. Download and run the 8B or 70B versions locally with simple commands. LM Studio. Get the 8B model for local use through their platform. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below and subscribe for more content like this.